Hello yogis, welcome. We are here on day 8 and today we will be flowing through a quick fix yoga flow. If you've ever had those days where you're just in a horrible mood or you just don't have the time to take a full yoga practice, these are a game changer. Know that you don't always have to do a 60-minute flow, a 45-minute flow, not even a 15-minute flow. If you take the time to arrive to your mat, even just for 5 minutes, it makes such a difference. And you never realize that until you actually get on your mat and do it. So yeah, we'll flow this for day 8, but know that you can come back to this whenever you'd like to use it for a pick-me-up, for a quick fix, feel better. So without further ado, let's get on our mats and get started right away. All right, we'll get started right away into child's pose. So spread your knees out nice and wide. Bring your big toes together to touch. Send your hips back. Walk your fingers out in front of you. Melt your forehead to the earth. Close your eyes and breathe. Connect with your breath. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Big exhale out of your mouth. Inhale, rise to a tabletop position. Stack your shoulders over your wrists and your hips over your knees. Take a deep inhale, spread your fingers wide, tuck your toes in. Exhale, downward facing dog. Shoot your hips up and back. Pedal out your legs here. Take out any kinks, any pops. Remove any outside distractions that do not serve you. Warm up your muscles. Massage your organs. Come to a stillness. Big inhale. Lift your right leg high. Keep your shoulders and your hips stacked forward. Exhale, low lunge. Step your right foot in between your hands. Spin your back heel down. Inhale, warrior one. Bring your arms up. Have a 90-degree angle in your right knee. Back leg is straight. Big inhale. Exhale, interlace your fingers behind you. Take another deep inhale, chest expansion. Open your heart. Exhale, humble warriors. Come all the way down until your shoulder is linked with your inner thigh. So big transition from here. Inhale, reverse warrior. Unravel, open to the side. Exhale, chaturanga dandasana, plant your palms. Swing your right leg back. Lower down, bend your elbows at a 90-degree angle, or you can come down on your knees. Inhale, upward facing dog, shine your heart forward. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your left leg high. Exhale, low lunge, step your left foot in between your hands, spin that back heel down. Inhale, warrior one. Relax your shoulders. Big inhale. Exhale, interlace your fingers. Take another deep inhale, broaden. Open. Good. Exhale, kneeling warrior. Come all the way down. Really break through and kill that mood, that bad mood that you may have. We'll unravel here slowly but surely. Inhale, reverse warrior. Open to the side. Exhale, chaturanga dandasana. Cartwheel your arms, plant your palms, step your left foot back. Option to take your knees if needed. Lower down. Fire up that core. Inhale, upward facing dog. Roll your shoulders back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Shoot your hips up and back. Big inhale through your nose. Big exhale out of your mouth. Drop down to your knees. Swing your legs out in front of you. We'll take a seated forward fold, so sit up nice and tall. Take a deep inhale, reach your arms over your head. Exhale, seated forward fold, hinge forward. So wherever your fingers may land is exactly where you're supposed to be, your knees, your shins, or your toes. Every time you inhale, lengthen your spine. Every time you exhale, compress even deeper. Inhale, slowly rise all the way up. Exhale, keep going. So lower all the way down on your mat, on the ground, to the earth, wherever you are. So bend your knees and then send your knees into your chest. Big inhale here. Exhale, send both of your knees to the left. Extend both of your arms out and gaze to the right for supine twist variation. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, supine twist to the right, gaze to the left. Inhale, back to center. This time we'll take one removing pose. Connect your forehead to your knees and your chin to your chest. Give yourself a big hug. Big inhale, squeeze. Exhale, final Shavasana. Lie down on your back and make yourself nice and comfortable. Take any tension out of your face, out of your body. Simply allow your body to absorb all of the asanas that you just did. Allow your body to absorb peace, prosperity, bliss. Take a deep inhale. Open mouth, exhale. I will see you on your mats tomorrow. And from my heart to yours, Namaste.